1.75 grams of lithium reacts with 8 grams of oxygen. Which is the limiting reactant? I'd like you, this is the last question we're going to do because I've actually got a lesson of my own after this. I'm learning a language right now. So I've got a lesson with my teacher until 9:30. So I want you to please do this. LiO2, LiO2, mass MR mole, mass MR mole, calculate the moles, look at the ratio, off you go please. I'm going to give you 1.5 minutes to do this. Any questions? So you calculate the moles. You calculate the moles, then look at the ratio. The ratio of lithium to oxygen is 4:1. 4:1. So the moles of lithium should be 4 times as high as oxygen. Or the moles of oxygen should be 4 times less than lithium. If the lithium is not 4 times higher than oxygen, then that's the limiting reactant. Any questions? I see lithium, oxygen, lithium. Let's go through it. Lithium, well done. Look, mass AR mole, mass MR mole. 1.75 grams divided by 7 is 0.25 moles. 8 grams divided by 32 is 0.25 moles. Look at this. Lithium should be 4 times as high as oxygen, but it's not. So lithium is the limiting reactant. Done. That's all you need to do.